Delicious juice for diabetes. Diabetes, often referred by doctors as diabetes mellitus, describes a group of metabolic diseases in which the person has high blood glucose because insulin production is inadequate or because the body cells do not respond properly to insulin or both. Patients with high blood sugar will typically experience frequent urination and they will become increasingly thirsty and hungry. Low sugar strawberry juice. For this, we need soya milk, 1 cup spinach, strawberry juice, yogurt, oats, and chia seeds. Soya milk. It is high in protein content and reduces diabetes. It keeps glucose levels in control. Soya milk nourishes the body and keeps you healthy. Spinach. It lowers high blood pressure and strengthens immune system. It is also fights diseases and low in calories, high in nutrients. It is high in antioxidants, thus spinach prevents diabetes. Strawberries. Strawberries improves immunity, supports nervous system, and they are known as one of the superfood for their antioxidant and flavonoids that combat free radicals. Strawberries prevent heart diseases and they controls blood pressure, keeps you hydrated. Yogurt. It can reduce the risk of diabetes. It lowers blood pressure, keeps blood sugar levels in control. It improves insulin sensitivity and reduces inflammation. Oats. Oats are filled with nutrients and minerals, which lowers cholesterol and rich in soluble fiber. They boost energy levels. Oats are rich in antioxidants, balances pH levels in the body, and oats are full of fiber. Chia seeds. Chia seeds combat diabetes. They are good for diabetes because of its ability to slow down digestion. It is rich in fiber. Chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids so that they regulates blood sugar levels. Making process. Soak chia seeds in water for 2 hours. Take oats and keep them in boiling water for 5 minutes. Take a juicer, put spinach, soya milk, oats, yogurt, strawberry juice, and blend well. Take a glass and pour the juice into it and add chia seeds and mix well. Now, the low sugar strawberry juice is ready to serve. This juice helps you to maintain your blood sugar level in control. Drink this juice daily in the morning before breakfast and before your meals. Continue this diet for 1 week and check your blood sugar levels. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos. Home remedies to control diabetes. Diabetes mellitus, commonly referred as diabetes. It is a chronic disorder. It occurs when the pancreas does not secrete enough insulin or when the cells of the body become resistant to insulin. Pancreas is the organ that produces the hormone insulin, which enables the glucose take from the food to go to the cells in the body, and there it is transformed into energy used by different tissues and organs in order to perform their job. Here you can get natural ways for treating diabetes, and you will discover the most efficient 100% natural, safe and costless treatment for diabetes. To control diabetes naturally with healthy food kitchen, you need cinnamon 2 sticks, Indian gooseberry that is amla 4, bunch of mango leaves, okra that is lady's finger 4, fenugreek seeds 1 cup. Let us see the benefits of ingredients for diabetes. Cinnamon sticks. Cinnamon is not only a spice packed with healthy full antioxidants, it can also be used to help diabetics control their blood glucose levels. Cinnamon has the ability to lower blood sugar level by stimulating the insulin activity. It has a bioactive component that helps to prevent and fight diabetes. Cinnamon also helps in lowering the cholesterol levels Indian gooseberry. Indian gooseberry is one of the most powerful herbs used in Ayurveda. It has been recommended by doctors for several chronic conditions, especially diabetes. According to studies, it is the antioxidant property of amla that makes it useful for diabetic individuals. The polyphenol rich fruit actually has properties that can protect the body from oxidative properties of high blood sugar. The same compound is also effective in preventing insulin resistance caused due to a high fructose diet. This means that the fruit can actually assist in proper absorption of insulin, leading to a drop in blood sugar in diabetics. Mango leaves. Mango leaves, particularly their extract, have been used by the ancient Chinese for treating asthma and diabetes. The leaves are full of active compounds that are effective in controlling the symptoms of the health condition. The mango leaves are great remedy for diabetes. Aside from that, the leaves can help remove toxins in the body and can even work as protection against allergies. The most effective way to manage diabetes is to control the blood sugar. Mango leaves extract can improve the production of insulin and the distribution of glucose, which can lower blood sugar levels. Okra. It contains potassium, vitamin B, vitamin C, folic acid, and calcium. It is low in calories and has a high dietary fiber content. Recently, a new benefit of including okra in your diet is being considered. Okra has been suggested to help manage blood sugar in cases of type 1, type 2, and gestational diabetes. Fenugreek seeds. In one study, researchers in India found that adding 100 grams of defatted fenugreek seed powder to the daily diet of patients with insulin dependent, that is, type 1 diabetes, significantly reduced their fasting blood glucose levels, improved glucose tolerance, and also lowered total cholesterol. Making okra water remedy. Cut the ends of the okra and slit them into 4 halves. Add slices into bowl containing water. Soak it overnight. Squeeze the okra well. You will notice sticky gum water. Consume this okra water with empty stomach in the morning. Sprouted fenugreek. Soak handful of fenugreek seeds in a bowl of water. Soak overnight and strain the excess water. You can also drink this water with empty stomach. Store the soaked seeds with closed lid in refrigerator for 3 days. On the 4th day, you will see sprouts in the seeds. Eat sprouted fenugreek seeds before breakfast. Mango leaves water. Cut the mango leaves and add them to a bowl. Add glass of hot water to it and allow it to soak overnight. In the morning, you will notice the change of color in mango leaves. Strain the water. You will notice the smell of raw mango in this water. Consume this water in the morning with empty stomach. Cinnamon water. Boil 2 glasses of water with broken cinnamon sticks and allow it to reduce 1 glass. Once the water reduced and color change, strain the water into glass. Drink this water early in the morning with empty stomach. Amla juice. Cut the amla into small pieces and add them to blender jar. Add small piece of ginger for flavor taste. Add required amount of water and grind it. Grind it thoroughly and strain the juice. Drink this juice in the morning with empty stomach. Follow these simple diabetes remedies regularly. Definitely you will feel good results in a week. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos. 2 natural remedies to control diabetes in 1 week. Diabetes is one of the fast-growing lifestyle disorder that can be effectively managed with few lifestyle modifications and eating a healthy diet. Characterized by high blood sugar levels in the body, this condition affects the body's ability to either produce insulin or to use insulin effectively. Although there are numerous treatment options available to keep your blood sugar levels in control, home remedies can work wonders in achieving this task. Here we have 2 effective home remedies to maintain your blood sugar levels and lead a healthy life with free diabetes. For this remedy, all we need cumin seeds 50 grams, black pepper 50 grams, cloves 10 grams, fenugreek seeds 50 grams. Before making this wonderful remedy, let's know the health benefits of ingredients. Cumin seeds. Cumin has a few special powers when it comes to your nutritional health. Cumin seeds are a good source of iron. They are thought to exert an anti-tumor effect against cancer. And now researchers have found that cumin seeds may also have a unique ability to keep blood glucose in check. Black pepper. Antioxidants that protect against cell damage caused by free radicals and also type 2 diabetes. Minerals that include potassium and iron helps to control heart rate, blood pressure, cellular respiration and increase blood cell production. Cloves. Cloves come from a flower bud of a tropical evergreen tree. Research promotes the use of cloves for patients with diabetes for the glucose lowering impacts experienced when consuming cloves on a daily basis. When consumed for more than 30 days, according to research published, cloves have the potential to lower an average serum glucose from 225 milligrams per deciliter to 150 milligrams per deciliter. Fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seeds are high in soluble fiber, which helps lower blood sugar by slowing down digestion and absorption of carbohydrates. This suggests they may be effective in treating people with diabetes. Several clinical trials showed that fenugreek seeds can improve most metabolic symptoms associated with both type 1 and type 2 diabetes in humans by lowering blood glucose levels and improving glucose tolerance. Let us see making of first remedy. Firstly, soak 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds in glass of water overnight. In the morning, drink this water with empty stomach and eat fenugreek seeds. Second remedy. Crush the remaining ingredients in a pestle kitchen tool or you can use a motor grinder. Take half teaspoon of this mixture directly daily in the morning with empty stomach. Follow these 2 simple kitchen remedies for 1 week and check your blood sugar levels. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.